Step inside the pinnacle of Parisian prestige. We are crossing the threshold of a $10 million sanctuary where the 19th-century soul of Baron Haussmann meets the sharp edge of modern luxury. This isn't just an apartment, it's a love letter to limestone, gold leaf, and the iron heart of France. From the rhythmic pulse of the herringbone floors to the silent watch of the Eiffel Tower, prepare to experience a lifestyle reserved for the few. Welcome to the ultimate Parisian home tour. The journey begins before you even step inside. Behold the majestic limestone facade, a rhythmic display of neoclassical symmetry that defines the Parisian aesthetic. The intricate stone carvings and the iconic black wrought iron balconies stand as a testament to an era of unrivaled craftsmanship. This is the face of prestige, where every corbel and cornice tells a story of heritage. It is a grand invitation to a world of absolute exclusivity and timeless architectural grace. We enter the Grand Salon, a symphony of light and volume. The walls are adorned with floor-to-ceiling boiserie, hand-carved and finished in a soft, gallery white that amplifies the afternoon sun. Beneath your feet, the original herringbone oak floors hum with history, while a massive Carrara marble fireplace serves as the room's grounding anchor. High above, a crystal chandelier scatters fractured light across the ceiling's ornate plaster medallions. It is breathtaking. The Master Suite is a masterclass in soft power. Silk-lined walls and champagne-hued velvet textures create an acoustic sanctuary that feels worlds away from the city below. The architectural highlight remains the private balcony access, framed by heavy drapes that open to reveal the Eiffel Tower standing in perfect alignment. Here, the fireplace is smaller, more intimate, topped with an antique gold leaf mirror that reflects the very essence of Parisian romance. This kitchen defies the traditional, blending Haussmann heritage with a sleek, minimalist edge. A monolithic Calacatta marble island commands the center, paired with custom-integrated appliances that vanish into dark wood cabinetry. Brass fixtures provide a warm, metallic glow against the cool stone surfaces. It is a space designed for both high-end entertaining and quiet, refined mornings, proving that heritage architecture can indeed embrace the future of utility. Perched above the living quarters is the mezzanine, a structural marvel of glass and brass. This gallery level serves as a private library, where the scent of old books meets the airy openness of the high ceilings. From here, you gain a new perspective on the intricate crown moldings and the scale of the chandeliers below. It is a quiet perch for reflection, offering a dramatic visual connection between the home's various levels of sophisticated design and light. The primary bath is less of a room and more of a private spa carved from stone. Book-matched marble slabs line the floors and walls, creating a seamless flow of natural veining. A freestanding porcelain tub is positioned perfectly under a window, allowing you to soak while gazing over the iconic zinc rooftops. Gold leaf sconces provide a soft, flattering glow, ensuring that every moment spent here feels like a deliberate indulgence in the finest materials available. Returning to the ground level, we find the Cour d'honneur. This private front courtyard is a rare luxury in the densest part of the city. Cobblestones laid in a fan pattern lead the way to manicured boxwood hedges and stone planters. It provides a buffer of silence and security, a transition zone where the clamor of the street fades into the dignified hush of the residence. It is the architectural equivalent of a deep, calming breath before the world begins. We've reached the summit, the private rooftop terrace. This is the crown jewel of the $10 million price tag. Eiffel decking provides a warm contrast to the surrounding stone, creating an outdoor lounge that rivals the world's best hotels. With a 360-degree view of the Parisian skyline, the Eiffel Tower feels close enough to touch. It is the ultimate stage for twilight cocktails and watching the city of light slowly wake up under a blanket of stars. Success requires a space for thought, and this study provides exactly that. Wrapped in dark stained oak boiserie, the room exudes a sense of weight and wisdom. An antique leather-top desk sits under the glow of a custom brass lamp, while a dedicated fireplace ensures the atmosphere remains cozy during the winter months. It is a room built for legacy, where the modern world's pace is traded for the steady, focused rhythm of high-level decision-making. Rarely do you find a jardin privé of this caliber in Paris. This hidden backyard is an emerald sanctuary tucked away from public view. Ivy climbs the limestone walls, creating a vertical garden that softens the urban environment. A central marble fountain provides a trickling soundtrack to the white roses that bloom in the shade. It is a private piece of nature, an outdoor room that offers total seclusion for breakfast or an afternoon of quiet reading in the sun. Thank you for joining me on this exclusive tour of a true Parisian masterpiece. In a world of fleeting trends, this apartment stands as a monument to enduring elegance and the power of heritage design. If you could move into one room today, which would it be, the terrace or the Grand Salon? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tours of the world's most extraordinary homes. Au revoir.